Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, have you heard about the Jillian Michaels coffee trick recipe? Supposedly, it's just 4 simple ingredients, and boom, you melt away all your extra pounds at home? Sounds amazing, right? I mean, look, I've already made myself a cup of coffee right here. Even grabbed some pink salt. You remember that pink salt trick Oprah Winfrey was supposedly promoting? That one was everywhere a few months ago. Anyway, I'm all set, just waiting for the magic to happen. Let's get into it. First, let's check out this ad that's been all over Facebook and Instagram. Interesting thing, there's basically no text, just a video and a big learn more button. The video claims Jillian Michaels herself is giving away a simple recipe that can help you drop weight. No gym, no diets, just these everyday kitchen ingredients. But here's the catch. This video is actually a deep fake. Jillian Michaels never said any of this.
They
If you
tried
pay
this
close attention, you'll see that the lips don't match the voice.
recipe that
The voice
mimics
doesn't really
the
sound
effects
like
of the
Jillian
magic
Michaels,
pens without
and
the side effects.
honestly, it's got that super clean, almost synthetic sound, like it was made
Powerful
by a
than the
computer.
Jaro shot.
The video is shot right in the kitchen, but there are zero background noises,
And you can
no
make
mic
it right in
bumps,
your own-
no echo, not even any random kitchen sounds. It's way too perfect, and that's another red flag. And here's something even crazier. After some digging, we found the original video they used to make this deep fake ad. The real video is called Belly Fat. Can you spot reduce belly fat? And guess what? In it, Jillian basically says the opposite. You can't spot reduce belly fat, and you can't just drink some magic coffee to get skinny. So look at this. On the
What should
left,
I do
we've
to
got the
reduce
scam
belly?
ad. On the right, the real video. You can see how the fake one is cropped and edited so you can't easily find the original. Pretty sneaky, right? All right, let's follow the link. Maybe, just maybe, we'll finally get that fourth secret ingredient they keep teasing. And yeah, no, the website is just like the ad, hardly any text, huge video player taking up most of the screen. At the top, there's this big dramatic warning. Attention, this presentation will be available only until whatever today's date is. Right, because it's so top secret, they have to remove it tomorrow. Sure. Below that, a video. And underneath, scientific references, a bunch of random links to medical articles that have nothing to do with the product. It's all just there to make it look official. Let's talk about that video. It's really long, like 30 or 40 minutes long. At first, the progress bar moves fast, so you think, all right, they're about to tell me the recipe. Then suddenly it slows down and drags on forever. They talk about scientists, secret studies, why doctors are hiding this breakthrough, and how all these celebrities are supposedly using it. And the secret fourth ingredient? Yeah, they never actually reveal it. You sit there waiting, but the big reveal never happens. The only thing they reveal at the end is, surprise, you need to buy their supplement if you really want to lose weight. Sound familiar? This is exactly what happened with the fake pink salt trick videos. Same script, same fake urgency, same empty promises. Now, what about these supplements they're pushing? Slim Shape, Shape Burn, Burn Jaro, and a bunch of other copycats. On their sites, you'll find glowing 5-star reviews and badges like GMP Certified, FDA Approved, 100% natural ingredients, made in USA, GMO free, and so on. But here's the deal. All these badges are just images anyone can slap on a website. None of these supplements are actually FDA approved for weight loss, and the so-called reviews are fake, either made up, paid actors, or AI generated. Bottom line, there is no secret recipe, there's no fourth ingredient, and there's no Jillian Michaels coffee trick that melts fat overnight. It's all smoke and mirrors to get you to buy a random supplement. But maybe you're thinking, hey, what about real customer reviews? Maybe it worked for some people? Nope. If you check Trustpilot and other review sites, it's the same story over and over. People say the product did nothing, some even gained weight, and customer service is basically impossible to reach. Most complaints mention no refunds, emails bouncing back, and phone numbers that never work. So yeah, real people are getting scammed out of their money, not losing weight, and customer support is basically non-existent. So to wrap it up, there's no Jillian Michaels coffee trick recipe. There's no magic combination of coffee, turmeric, vinegar, and banana that'll help you lose weight overnight. If you see these kinds of ads, celebrity deepfakes, secret ingredients, fake urgency, it's always a scam. Don't waste your money and don't fall for the hype. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one.